YouTube, what up, baby? Back at it. I got one for you here. We got us a 2010 Jeep Compass here. I already fixed the problem and I thought about it afterwards. I'm like, man, I should have put that on YouTube. But if you got that air conditioner that you gotta mess with the knob here a little bit, pull it over, wiggle it to get the air to start blowing. I'm gonna show you the problem here. You're gonna have to pry this out, get this popped out, and I'm gonna have my customer help me out here. Hold that. Once you get that popped out, you got the connectors back here, right? See that? This red connector right here gonna be pushed in. Let me get my flashlight for you. Y'all know how I am. I'm all over the place. But we got the red connector, the black connector with the red pin right here. And here, hold that. The way you get this to open up, you got to pop this pin forward, up I should say. Let me get you from a different angle. I did it earlier, trust me, I did. Now it's one, there we go. You get it up, then you can squeeze it, and then you can pull it out, and then this is just a normal squeeze and pull out. And you can get this out. Now this is what we got to work at. So you want to get like a flathead screwdriver here. You got on the sides. These are, you push those in, and then you should be able to pop this up. But you got these little tabs on. Let me show you the top side right here. These two little tabs here, one here, one there. Those have to pry up, and then you'll be able to pop it up. I'm going to show you here. Get a little flathead screwdriver. Here, hold that phone for me. See if you can get it in the picture. If you can't, so what I started here, I just get it under here in the middle. See, that's already started. We get a little pressure on it. Then we'll go to the top side. Pop that one up. See, it's coming. We'll do the next one down there. See, that whole side is ready now. Now we'll come to the bottom side. Do the same thing. And then we'll do it with this one. Take your time, it'll come off. It'll probably fall off like that. Then what you got on here is the knob here. See, it rotates here. You got those two pins there. See, I already re-greased them up. They rotate, and what they do, when you turn that knob, it stops at a certain point here on the back side of this, because this is on there, remember? And then when you pop it off, you're gonna see this is gonna be real nasty. It's gonna have a lot of black stuff, and it's gonna be real gunked up. Some of it's gonna be hard. You wanna get it scraped off and cleaned off the best you can. Put you some Vaseline on there. And do the same with this side. Clean that off good. And what I did was I took my finger and I pried it up a little bit so it puts a little more pressure on the board, because I think it was just not making good contact. Get that cleaned off and pop back on. Real easy to get it popped back on. Once you get it lined up, just watch out for these pins here. Like so. Get it plugged back up. I'm gonna get that one plugged in. Push that down and lock it. For some reason they got a lock on that one. And then that blue one is the real simple one there. Just push it in. Get that locked in. So we got it plugged in here, plugged in there. Then you wanna, before you put it back in, we just gonna test it right quick. Got the air working good. All the way.
That's all of it.
That's all of it. Yeah, you're just gonna get it locked back in. Just take your time when you pulling this out. Sometimes these things can be real brittle. You might break something.
Not today.
Exactly. That was it for today. Like always, like the video, subscribe, help me out, leave a comment. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. If you like to give it a thumbs up, do something. Peace.